To remove your phone number from your 1xBet account, you typically need to follow these steps. Visit the 1xBet website and sign in using your credentials. Access your account settings. Once logged in, look for an option like My Account or Account Settings. This is usually located in the top right corner of the website. Navigate to Personal Information. Within your account settings, there should be a section where you can view and edit your personal information. Look for an option labeled something like Personal Information or Profile Settings. Edit your phone number. In the Personal Information section, you should see your current phone number listed. There should be an option to edit or remove it. Click on this option. Remove the phone number. Follow the prompts to remove your phone number from your account. You may need to verify your identity or confirm the change through a code sent to your email or existing phone number. Save the changes. After removing your phone number, make sure to save the changes to your account settings. Confirmation. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully removed from your account. If you encounter any difficulties or if the steps vary due to updates on the 1xBet website, you can also contact 1xBet customer support for assistance. They should be able to guide you through the process or make the necessary changes on your behalf.